Cool, so the E36 is back. I'll tell you the story now. So, as per usual, into towing helping us out. The car just came back from Most Wanted, a tuning shop in Cape Town, and they did the wiring and tuning on the 3-litre motor that we put in. But unfortunately, the motor is not healthy. The moment they started it up, it was smoking. We took videos and pictures of everything, and I sent it to Engines Direct, the people where I bought the engine from. And with the startup guarantee I have, they had no problem whatsoever. I must just take this motor back to them and I can put a fresh new motor that they're sending me in. So yeah, it's crunch time. It's probably going to be a late night for me and Vully. He's got to get this one out, get the other one in, and then tomorrow morning the car needs to be back at Most Wanted for tuning so that we can make it for the race on Saturday. So yeah, let's get it into the shop. Sounds kind of cool. Not going in gear, so the clutch is not properly bled. So this is a bit of a effed up situation. Here is the 330 motor that we just bought. We've already pulled it out of the car. This motor was a dud, started smoking from the get-go, as we mentioned. So they replaced the motor, we got another one, but now this one comes from an X5, which is four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, whichever way you want to call it. So now we've got to swap the sump, the pickup. We had to change the tappet covers because there's different coils and all of that stuff. I doubt that we'll be able to start it tonight. We're gonna try, let's see, but yeah, it needs to go in, needs to go back to the tuners, and then we'll take things from there. So the car's going back to most wanted. We changed the engine. Engines Direct gave us a replacement. We worked till about 12 o'clock last night and we got the motor in. We tried to start it, but ignition isn't working. We can see injectors are pulsing, but nothing on ignition. So the guys at Most Wanted will figure it out, sort out the wiring and get it started, and then she's going on the dyno. Curious to see how much power it's going to make, but don't have high hopes. It's just a 3 litre straight 6. Should probably make like 165 odd kilowatt. So let's not chase the numbers. As long as it just runs and drives nicely and is stable, then I'll be happy. Welcome to my office. Main power, ECU, wait for the fuel pump.